Upon arriving at this house, we are greeted by two tall stone walls arranged in a staggered pattern along the entrance, with a central deck serving as the main entryway. These walls enclose two areas, the living block and the bedroom block. The central deck functions as a versatile veranda, offering views of the expansive landscape and creating the impression that nature not only surrounds, but also flows through the house. At first glance, the open house appears closed off due to its imposing walls and minimal openings. However, once inside, the house unfolds in all directions, forming connections with the surroundings through strategic openings. The living block features a spacious, multi-purpose area with a double-height floating roof. The dining area, located in a recessed section, contrasts with the large windows of the living room and connects to the kitchen through a sliding door. The stone walls serve as captivating backdrops inside the house, enhancing the dining area, kitchen, and bathrooms. The bedroom block, separated from the living block by the central deck, offers privacy. Both bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms with a retreat-like feel, including green pockets and skylights. A floating steel staircase links the central deck to the upper deck. Surrounded by small farms, the site offers sweeping views of the dam and surrounding hills. Part of the site is used as an orchard. The inspiration for the design of this house came from the valley's dramatic seasonal changes, from vibrant green during the monsoon to more muted browns for the rest of the year. These observations became central to its design, framing and integrating with the surroundings, encouraging residents to slow down and engage with nature. The open house explores the three dimensions of space through architectural design and incorporates a fourth dimension, time, through the ongoing transformation of nature.